Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a very quick unboxing, first impressions, and I'm going to try and do this with as little interruptions as possible so that I can get this up next day, which I think I've only done one time in the history of my channel. So today is a quick unboxing of the new Oriana perfume by Parfums. This just got in the mail today, literally like an hour ago. So we're gonna spray her, and then I'm gonna go out with Dennis, and I'm gonna let you guys know the performance. I've been trying to avoid reviews online, but it's been hard. People are already comparing this to Killian's Love Don't Be Shy, so I did test that out yesterday. My boo Takara did send me this sample. I didn't realize that I actually had a travel of it, but I was playing around with that one, and I already own Reckless by Raja, which is another one that's compared to Love Don't Be Shy. So I'm a little bit familiar with this scent profile, and my hope is that maybe they kind of have notes that are similar, but it's a different perfume. That is what I'm hoping. So here is the box. And here she is. Now, I know some people love the bottle, some people do not. I love the bottle. I love pink. It's not my favorite color, but I do love pink, and I like hot pink. And this is like a, well, this is a fuchsia pink, actually. This is like a fuchsia pink, the little crystal on top. So we're just gonna spray it right on. I mean, I get notes. It smells really, really, really nice. It's different. This is why I wanted to stay away from it, because now I'm looking for Love Don't Be Shy. But this is different to me. It's very pretty. I will say, I wouldn't say it's a safe blind buy, but I think I would have been a little bit more oohed and odd if I wasn't already expecting for this to smell similar to something else. But this has notes of, top notes are mandarin, bergamot, grapefruit. Heart notes are orange blossom, black currant, raspberry, and base notes are marshmallow, ambrette, chantilly cream, and musk. And this opens up with the mandarin and the bergamot. Like, this opens up kind of citrus, but I get a creaminess right at the top. So it's not sharp or like loud. And I mean, I can smell the sweetness from Love Don't Be Shy and a little bit of the orange blossom, but I don't get the comparison. Yeah, I don't get that comparison. So this is how I normally spray, guys. I don't know if this is gonna be my anniversary scent. This is, I like it so far. It's kind of, again, there's citrus, it's creamy, the marshmallow in here, like I wouldn't think of marshmallow. I do get like kind of a creaminess, and there's definitely musk in here. And the creaminess, I would say, is probably more from the chantilly cream. And yeah, this is a pretty feminine pink kind of scent. This is like a brunching scent. This is a little bit more lighthearted than Delina. A little bit more playful, whereas Delina is something I like to wear like to an event. It's to me a little bit more incensey and a really beautiful rose. This is something that I automatically see myself out during the day. It's a very kind of bright, uplifting, bubblegummy pink kind of scent. Not that it smells like bubblegum, but the marshmallow in here and the cream kind of give this, I don't want to say a powderiness, because I definitely have more powdery perfumes. I will have to come back and let you guys know. She's a strong like, but I don't know if she's worth that high price tag just yet. We're gonna wear her out, and I'm gonna let you guys know. So initial thoughts, I don't get the Love the Love Don't Be Shy. Like, I get that there's notes in here, but it's not like, to me, Reckless. These are so similar to me. I will say, if you enjoy Love Don't Be Shy, you might really like this. And I can see owning both because they're different. Like, I was nervous because I find Reckless by Raja to be very close to Love Don't Be Shy, just not as strong. And this is, to me, more blended. But I would say these two are very close. And this is just in maybe the same scent family, but they don't smell similar to my nose just yet. But again, it's initial spray. Yeah, she's really pretty. She's starting to smell a little kind of clean. Yeah, so I'm gonna check back with you guys at the end of the night. All right, guys, sorry if I look a little greasy. The setup is a little different. Also, it's 9 at night and Oliver is right here bothering me. Say hi. Dennis went to go grab late night snacks. And we're gonna get into this really quick. When I went outside and asked Dennis for his opinion, he wasn't impressed. I'm just gonna be completely honest. While I enjoy this scent, I still want to spend more time with it. He didn't seem that impressed with it. I've had this scent on for 6 hours. And I can say after the 6 hour mark, it definitely sits closer to the skin, but I can still catch whiffs of it. It isn't a projection and sillage monster. This is definitely a moderate perfume. Now, is it worth the price? No. I have an issue with that $300 price point of this house. This is one that I would say if you can wait for it to get to a discounter, that's what I would recommend. I would not recommend blind buying this one. While I think this is gonna be a people pleaser, I think a lot of people are gonna be disappointed by this one as well, especially for that high price point. This isn't going to be, like, I find Delina to perform a lot better than this one, but I don't think this has poor performance. I think this has moderate performance, but I know a lot of people that when they spend that much money, they want it to be a little bit more beastly. So if you're looking for that, I would not get this. This is definitely more moderate projection, and I wouldn't say it's a skin scent. It projects for the first hour or two and leaves a little bit of a scent trail, but then it definitely sits within your bubble. I don't want to say like close to the skin. It's more like arm's length, I would say. It's a scent that when I went grocery shopping, I can smell it through my mask. So it's definitely going to be in your area. And it can also get a little cloying if you overspray it, which is why I think I'm going to enjoy this scent more for fall and like winter, spring. I don't think I'm going to wear this summer. This might be a little too sweet. Every time I spray it, I just smell something else. Yeah, like the blackcurrant in here is real fresh and kind of clean to my nose. And now I'm picking up a little bit more of the orange blossom. And it's one of those scents that I think is going to be a like that's going to turn into a love. But I'm not sure yet. I'm going to follow this up. I'm going to take it with me over the weekend. This isn't going to be my anniversary scent, because this is sweet, it's playful, it's I don't want to say youthful, but to me it is more one of the more fun perfumes in the line, I would say. Still being a little classy, I would say it's probably like, you know, I gotta pair it. I would say Serena from Gossip Girl, that's what this is. She's, you know, an Upper East Side girl, sophisticated, classy, but a partier. That's what this is. This is sophisticated, but I would still categorize it a little bit more playful and young than the other perfumes in this line. It's definitely the most fun young one in my opinion. This isn't a standout, but it's not like a lot of things that I have in my collection. I will say that I enjoy the opening and the mid the most. It does get really creamy and sweet in the base. And also, it's one of those perfumes that does like a disappearing act where I think I don't smell it anymore. I will do something and I will catch a whiff of it. So there are perfumes in my collection that do that, and I do feel like this is going to be one of them. This is not a safe blind buy, guys. I really would recommend you guys to get a decant. There's a lot of fragrance groups on Facebook if you want me to suggest any that they're selling decants. And also if you can get to a Saks to test it out, that's what I would recommend, because it is expensive, and I'm not comfortable saying that this is worth that high price tag. I would recommend you wait for this to get to discounters. But let me know if you picked up this scent. What are your thoughts on it? But that will do it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.